Whether working from home or from a place of business, sitting at a desk all day can take its toll on one's health. And while a job change might not be feasible, modifying existing working conditions may be. Not only does movement benefit health, but it can also increase concentration and productivity. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best Under Desk Treadmill you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. GYMAX 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. The GYMAX 2-in-1 treadmill features both walking and running modes, with a maximum walking speed of 2.5 miles per hour and a maximum running speed of 7.5 miles per hour, which is faster than comparable models. The premium 2.5 horsepower motor runs quietly even at high speeds, and the spacious running area measures 40 by 16 inches. Use the dual-function touchscreen display to play music via Bluetooth or adjust the belt speed. Speed adjustment can also be controlled via remote control. Safety features include a 5-layer, shock-absorbing, non-slip running belt and a safety key for emergency shutoff. The treadmill's folded measurements are 52 inches by 27 inches by 5 inches. Number 4. WalkingPad R2 Pro Smart Walk Folding Treadmill. WalkingPad Folding Treadmill is a great fit for small spaces. The treadmill measures 56.5 by 21.5 by 5 inches when open. When folded, the treadmill's height allows for convenient storage under a bed or a sofa. It is also equipped with wheels for easy maneuvering. With a speed range of 0.5 to 6.5 miles per hour, the intelligent speed control allows for automatic speed adjustment. When the treadmill senses the user walking toward the head of the treadmill, it will intuitively increase speed. A remote control enables the user to manually start, stop, accelerate, and decelerate. The treadmill can also be controlled via the KS Fit app. The treadmill's LED display screen shows speed, steps, time, and distance. Safety features include novice speed limit, child lock, and automatic standby. This treadmill has a 220-pound weight capacity. Number 3. WalkingPad R2 Pro Treadmill. The WalkingPad R2 Pro Treadmill's double-fold technology adds superior storage versatility to the two-mode functions for walking and running fitness programs. 3 types of speed control give you power over facilitating the intensity of your fitness program: remote control, feet control, and app control. The WalkingPad's intelligent speed control, feet control, allows for automatic speed adjustment. When the treadmill senses that the user has walked toward the head of the treadmill, it will intuitively increase speed. WalkingPad treadmills offer some of the best features when it comes to safety: a kid's lock, automatic shutoff, a safety clip, and power overload protection. As well, fitness progress can be checked on the LCD display. The unit measures 42.13 inches by 30.71 inches by 8.66 inches, reaches speeds of 6.5 miles per hour, and can support up to 220 pounds. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill combines the features of an under-desk walking treadmill with versatile speed and a running surface for intense cardio workouts. Simply fold the riser to place under a desk for a maximum speed of 2.8 miles per hour during working hours, and then lift the riser to increase the motor speed to 7.4 miles per hour for an after-hours jog. The treadmill's Bluetooth connectivity and performance speaker facilitates making calls and playing music from a smartphone. Monitor progress on the LCD display and use the remote control to adjust speed. A safety key attaches to clothing during operation in case an emergency shutoff is necessary. The treadmill measures 52 inches by 27 inches by 5 inches when folded, has an ultra-quiet 2.5 horsepower motor, and is available in 4 colors. Number 1. Goplus Under Desk Electric Treadmill. The Goplus Under Desk Electric Treadmill's combination of slim design and a spacious walking platform make it a nice fitness accessory for your workspace. The treadmill has an LED touch display to monitor time, distance, calories, and speed. But you can also control the treadmill from the remote control while in motion, which also has an emergency shutoff button. With 12 exercise programs and a speed range of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour, you can increase cardiovascular endurance and maybe even shed a few pounds, all while responding to emails and answering calls. The lightweight design and wheels make it easy to slip under a sofa or bed when not in use. The treadmill measures 51.5 inches by 23.5 inches by 6 inches and can hold up to 220 pounds. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.